All right, welcome to writing prompt number 8. Today's writing prompt is, what don't you miss? There are some parts of life that we might not miss about. Life. It might be our tutor or an activity we don't like. It might be math at school. What is it for you? So what is something that we are no longer doing during our pandemic that you don't miss at all? Something that's changed and that you don't miss. For example, I'm not going to lie, I don't miss having to get up super early to go to work. I love being able to wake up about 30 minutes before I get on the computer, get a cup of coffee, and sit down. I don't miss my morning drive. I don't miss having to set my alarm super early. I like being able to get more sleep at night. So that is something I don't miss, but I do miss you guys. I don't want you to think I don't miss school. I do miss you guys. I just don't miss having to get up super early. So that is something that I don't miss. And I would like you to write down again 4 sentences on your journal entry or your writing prompt entry about what's something you don't like and why, or something you don't miss and why don't you miss it. Do you think we're going to have to do it again once we go back to normal life? So although I don't like getting up early for work, I know I'm going to have to do that again. So what is something that you don't miss and something that you think that we may or may not have to go back to doing once this is over with? Now, if you jump over to our Google Classroom, our brainstorming question that I want you to comment on this thread for is, what is something you are okay with never doing again once life gets back to normal? So what's something you're okay with never, ever having to do once all this is over with? And Mr. Ethan, you cannot say school. So I started that little prompt there so you can't say that. So anything but school, what's something you're okay with never doing again? Answer the brainstorming question, open up your Google Docs link, and answer the writing prompt that is attached to this post, writing prompt number 8. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun.